Nakirwaria Rwakadhuri Murungi na tareti ombani bwawe ya seneta akiwa anombete wiki ya miswanda kire seneta karakana oyo ya kwariria uritanire bongo ya tiati kama ngavana na nini bo musonda yure yokethira nindi kana nyoyoro kungiria kimira na ingemi ingi nkuru ki seneta Kadhuri na reti Kyoto kya mutotigi mudhiani kana sniper arawete minister wo karibonde ne professor Kithure Kindiki na kudingatira ontobono chunkoni ibwetete na mbere indranete
The Honorable Speaker of the County Assembly of Meru, the Right Honorable Ayubu Mudi.
Senator wa County ya Meru Kadhuri Murungi na watetea mwenye yaraumbete kuingia ya Senator wa County ya Meru kwa kaita karethirite ari ubichine.
Accounts me with the opportunity to share the key highlights of my 1 year in office since I was elected as the Senator of Meru County.
Akiaria mbere ya mbunge ya County ya Meru Kadhuri auwete kenda kuthiria ntangurutano ati kama ngavana na nini bo na iketi roaria rotariria ngwecho bichichi ile kendo tira nende otiyo ekwethira ikinyilaika.
I have sponsored the County Government Laws Amendment Bill 2023. The bill intends to provide for the specific and express role of the office of the Deputy Governor. A clear demarcation of functions between governors and their deputies will minimize the constant friction between the two executive officers, which has caused instability in the county executive structures, thus impeding the optimal performance in many counties in this republic.
Nirori ugete ruketharu itethera kyabo katha utigira kinyo bichichiani ni bamangavana batikwethira baikira utheri ende ne bakugairwa ngui.
By giving functions to the deputy governors, the bill also intends for counties to tap into the expertise, skills, and experience that come with the office of the deputy governors, which are often sidelined in the management of county affairs, or rather underutilized.
Rero ngeni rwege mbogita ontogwete ikitembere kenda miraithire kirita wana kureka kwetanirwa na mbogita.
Another bill that is in the offing from me and my office is the Narcotics and Psychotropic Substances Amendment Bill 2023. Honorable Speaker and honorable members, to ensure that Mira is not classified as a drug, I have sponsored the Narcotics and Psychotropic Substances Amendment Bill 2023, whose intent is to remove codeine and cathinone as naturally found in Mira from the ambits of the Narcotics and the Psychotropic Substances Act of 1994.
Nionto wete bokuruka miraite nindi kiukairwa ya mbogita rengi na biachara munarimi bakimrake bakona uguni bokadha.
It is thus expected that this registration will create a pathway for the licensing of Mira products and promote value addition. In addition, the Senate, through the Sessional Committee on Delegated Registration, approved the Crops Mira Regulations, Legal Notice number 41 of 2023, which seek to grow the Mira sector and ensure farmers have great access to export markets.
Pithukiro cha maitha mwankene yomero na isiolo mnamnontere cha tiania na yembe ni otubonge Seneta Kadhuri auwete na ikirie mbungene ya Senate.
The incessant banditry attacks along the Meru Isiolo border in the constituencies of Tigania East, Tigania West, Igembe North, and Igembe Central is characterized by loss of lives, injuries, the disappearance of hunts of cattle, and destruction of property have created an atmosphere of terror and untold suffering. The lawlessness has disrupted access to basic needs such as education and health and continues to hurt the development in these regions. On the 27th of February 2024, I rose on the floor of the Senate to call for swift, comprehensive, and sustainable action from the relevant agencies.
Bongina buo ni okoniegi kukenchamba ya mitadao Daniel Mudhiani kana sniper ontowete kinya minister wo karibondene na ubangene bodrikari Professor Kithure Kindiki na kinyete mbungene ya Senate ruari na utariria na araba kinyete kire chunkoni obontobo.
Another issue that I've been handling the last few months is the abduction and execution of the Meru-based blogger Daniel Mudhiani, Bernard, alias Sniper. Honorable Speaker and honorable members, this matter is of great public interest, not only to the people of Meru County, but also the whole country. As the Senate of Meru County, I raised the matter in the Senate, and this morning, on the 8th of May 2024, the Cabinet Secretary for Interior and National Administration, Professor Kithure Kindiki, appeared before the Senate to address the issues I raised and others that are of concern to the Senate.
Kuingia kwa mitino ntereche nithi ni onto Kathuri yethirite akiwa akinyabona ikiria mbere ya mbunge ya seneta kenda utira barabara yone kubuitho bweru na kinyandara cheune wakwa na njire kinende na njire njaru murandi wete yukethira yutumaira bilioni 10 gatanta kenda.
Meru County continues to bear the brunt of the road carnage at Nithi Bridge along the Meru-Nairobi highway. As our people, we are the major users of the road. I have raised this matter in the Senate on the need for the redesigning and realignment of the Nithi Bridge with the Minister of Transport. So far, the Minister has already completed the preliminary design of the bridge and the road realignment. This project is expected to cost approximately Kenya shillings 10.9 billion. Consultancy supervision will cost 400 million, and this has already been done.
Ugaiba kegena Kirima County na ntubunge Senator Kathuri yethirite akiarira kia.
In the course of this month, on our members, it is expected that we will conclude the deliberations on the division of the revenue bill and the county allocation of revenue bill. As the Senate, our aim is to ensure adequate allocation of resources to counties to enable efficient and effective service delivery.